everyone, Angela Worth here with Mended Hearts Quilting and Boutique, Ellsworth, Iowa. So we're going to do another box opening, but thought it would be fun, instead of having one of our employees do it, to have one of our customers do it. So Linda is a huge Kaffe fan, loves the Free Spirit fabrics. So we decided, since we got 2 big boxes of new fabric in, that she might like to open the boxes. So here we go.
It's my turn, all right. I discovered Kaffe and Brandon and Philip about 2 years ago, and since then my retirement fund has depreciated a lot. But I do really enjoy the fabrics. I've always loved colors, and I like that you can take 2 or 3 of their fabrics and put them together and they look good. So this is like Christmas for me. I'm always coming in and saying, well, Angela, would you order this? Or Angela, would you order that? And she does that for me. So. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that's Brandon's fabric. See, we get to where we're on a first name basis, whether they've ever seen us or not. But, we're getting a new bunch of colors this time. That's been out before, but not that color. Well, here, I'll hand them to you. I got to get to the bottom of the box to be
She's
happy.
already hugging them. See, that's
Yeah,
the beauty of it.
Touching them.
Hugging them right away.
Now that's a new green color that I haven't seen before, but this is a color that always works with a lot of different things. So I wonder if this isn't an older piece of fabric that's come back.
A new colorway?
New colorway, yeah.
That does happen, doesn't it?
Yeah. And this is pretty. I think this is one of them that I have watched Philip work on to put it together. If you get to studying on television like I do, they have videos and it shows them painting the designs for the fabrics on paper, and then they send them off and get them printed up. But it's definitely something that they do themselves. Are these two the same? Not quite, no.
I think these 2 are the same different colorways,
Yeah.
are they? I think. Did I get 2 different colorways?
I think so.
Yes.
That turquoise in that is so pretty. Those are nice. And then here's one with a little light blue in it. And that's something that people ask for a lot. And that's a Philip Jacob fabric too. So this is fun. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome. And you got a whole nother box to go through.
I know. And I only live 11 miles away, so that's the fun part of this. Well, there aren't many places that I can find nearby that carry a whole lot of Kaffe fabrics, so it's really nice to be able to come up to Mended Hearts and, oh, wow, isn't that pretty? Morning Glories? I think it is. I think that's another one that I got to watch him paint on TV.
I'm not a gardener.
Yeah. That's fun. That'll work in with a lot of different things, so. I'll take a bolt and half of that.
Oh, we should just be handing them over to Loretta at the cutting table, so you can just get yours right off
Just
the
get
bat.
mine right off the bat, okay. This is like the one we have
Yes,
back there. And
yes.
it's purple. It's just gorgeous. I may have to take that right away before she gets it. Very nice. Oh, this is just so much fun.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, so we've got Loretta and Linda over here going and on. I don't know.
That's very, very nice.
I love this one too.
And I think we've had this one before, but it's a different
Color?
Different colorway,
Yes,
maybe.
that was in the purple and
Yeah.
greens and reds over here, and then, yeah.
Gee, that's just most awesome one I've seen.
That would be a good dress
Oh, yes.
with your petticoat under it.
Yes. Yes, my obsession with dresses and petticoats.
Well, I've started making blouses out of this. I've stopped making quilts quite as much, but I'm making clothing. Now, do you know what this is?
Yes.
This is a geode fabric.
Oh, yeah.
It's another one of, I think, Philip's pieces of works. But it's kind of fun. I was studying it on TV last night. I've always been interested in geodes, and that's exactly what we have here, is a whole group of pretty geodes. And in Iowa and northern Missouri, you find lots of geodes. And here is another Morning Glory in all kinds of colors. That will work in with so many different colors. You get your blues and your pinks and your yellows, and Oh gosh, the box is empty.
I know,
but-
oh gosh.
Thank you.
All right, Loretta, get in there. I know you're dying.
We've got 3 more boxes for Loretta to open on Monday, so that will take care of her. Thank you, Linda.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for letting me do this.
Thank you everybody for watching. You can find me at mendedheartsquilting.com on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Have a great day.
Is that okay? Did I come
Well,
back?
Oh, you did great.
It'll be okay when I can
Oh,
get
you
it to
did
stop.